Along with many other parts of Europe, it's hot and it's humid, and you can see that lasts well into tomorrow. The big change will be this weather front moving gradually eastwards, and then we'll see a real change in the weather and a real drop in the temperature too, some 10 degrees as you can see in parts of Europe, Frankfurt especially between Tuesday and Wednesday, and the onset of those thunderstorms as that heat grinds away. But in the Mediterranean, well, unbroken sunshine continues, and you don't need to go to the Mediterranean today for that sunshine and the heat. Across East Anglia in the southeast, 29 is on the cards. We're already up to 28 in Gravesend, and quite pleasantly warm elsewhere in the sunshine into the low 20s is not too bad. But it doesn't tell the whole story. You see gales on the chart, and we have actually got quite an intense area of low pressure for this time of year sat up to the northwest of Scotland. We could see gusts as high as 80 miles an hour in the Outer Hebrides for a time, and indeed it stays windy in the northwest for the next couple of days. But even here by midweek those winds start to ease down, so we'll really feel the benefit of some summer sunshine, feeling quite pleasant. And we do have some summer sunshine for many today. We've had the odd patch of rain moving across England, Wales and Scotland. That's clearing away now, just the odd shower following in behind. The exception to the rule though will be the southwest, still plagued by some coastal fog here and some low cloud. But away from the southwest, if you do see that sunshine, it's about as strong as it gets now. We're heading of course towards the summer solstice. 6 or 7 is as high as it gets here in the UK, and still very unpleasant if you suffer from hay fever. Still 8s and 9s in the very high category, and no sign of any rain really to get rid of it. Now we could have 1 or 2 imported thunderstorms in East Anglia and Kent overnight, and a few showers in the northwest and even the southwest too, with a bit of coastal fog here. But it will, for many of us at least, be a fresher night than last, except in East Anglia and the southeast. We keep that muggy air, I should say, well into tomorrow. But elsewhere, like today, into the low 20s, given some sunshine, really rather pleasant. The difference tomorrow, I think, more chance of a few showers in the south and the east, the odd heavy downpour, more so I think than today, well into the afternoon. Elsewhere, a lot of fine weather around, but for Scotland and Northern Ireland, saying that, I think more showers here than we'll see today, and some sharp downpours. Now come Wednesday and Thursday, fewer showers I think, and lighter winds by then across Scotland and Northern Ireland. Always the threat of a shower developing to the southeast of England, but otherwise, as you can see, a lot of fine and dry weather around. Again, just a reminder that the sun is going to continue to be strong throughout the week, and then it all changes. As we head towards Friday, low pressure moves in. It turns distinctly more showery. As usual, our British summer doesn't last, and there could even be some showers